Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a setup of this iRobot Roomba. This is their model E5. It's kind of the mid-level Roomba. And one neat thing about this is it doesn't have the bristles on the bottom. It has this kind of a neoprene or silicone type brush so it won't get pet hair wound up. And this is primarily for keeping our pet hair under control. We have 3 dogs and these things have been pretty resilient and effective at keeping the mess down to a minimal. So let's get this opened up and take a look at what we need to do to set it up. Got this down to a science. They have a nice pad over here, and then just some mar or scratch resistant plastic, that clingy plastic on top. Inside here you have a tray that holds this in place with all the wheels. And here's what I'm talking about on the bottom, that rubber gripper, not those bristles where hair gets wrapped around. Still has a sweeper arm there. Inside the box we have the standard quick setup guide, the owner's guide, and the warranty. Make sure you do the warranty right away. And then the charging station. Little pad there, throwaway pad. And again, scratch resistant plastic on top for shipping. And underneath there we should find hopefully some cordage. Oh, here it is. This box here. The cord doesn't have to be terribly long. It's just going to hold the charging and the docking station tethered. And it looks like a couple of air filters. Now this is different from my last Roomba. So, this fancy bit of cardboard pretty much just held the cord and these filters. I'm going to take a break. I'll read about this really quick and we'll come back and install the filters and get this thing charging. Okay, we are back. The big thing is on this quick start guide. Basically go to your app store, to Google Play, and download the iRoomba app. This thing is Wi-Fi controllable from your phone. Go ahead and plug in the charger. And one warning they say about the chargers: don't put it right next to a stairwell, or don't put it right next to a virtual wall barrier. We're not going to use any virtual wall barriers. We're just going to use the computer on its own thing to sense any cliffs. Taking a look at the bottom of this machine, you can see the caster wheel right up front. This is the sweeper brush. These are the multi-surface wheels that are, you can take these out and clean them. And they say some hair may get in the end caps on them, but not much. You can already see a dog hair on there. They have cliff sensors on the front and side. So the front is the swivel wheel. A cliff sensor here, cliff sensor there, there, and there. That's what's going to let it go right up to a stairwell and stop back up so it doesn't do a big dive. And that's about it. I'm going to go plug this in. Oh, I forgot. They give you 3 filters. And you're not supposed to get these filters wet. But when you empty out the dust bin, which is on the back end of this, you just kind of press and pull this thing out. That's a filter. And it says, kind of that icon right there of do not get wet. So I don't know if you can just vacuum those out with another vacuum or if you have to go ahead and buy the iRoomba stuff or if that's consumable. We'll find that out. But let's go plug it in. We have a little green light on the top of that. I'm going to pull off this scratch resistant stuff. There is a warning in the directions to keep the contacts clean down there. You can see those 2 silver squares. Those are the contact points. We'll just drive those up. Set them on there. And you can see the indications. I get a clean flashing light there. And that green LED on the charger itself came up. While this is doing the charge, I'm not sure how much it came. Okay, now I've got a glowing icon right there. See it? While this is charging, I'm going to go download the app. Here's a quick screenshot of setting up the Wi-Fi. Pretty easy. You just need a charging station, the robot, and your Wi-Fi password. For my own security reasons, I'm going to do this, but there's no real surprises on setting this up to be Wi-Fi. So they've done a good job thinking this through. We're getting there. The next step for setting this up is to press the home button and the spot cleaning button for 2 seconds, and then we'll hear a beep. 1,000, 2, 1,000. And then the app tells me to say that I pressed both buttons. It's searching for it now. Searching.
Return to the app to complete setup.
Hey, it says Roomba discovered. I think we're doing pretty good. We'll finish up here and let it charge because I still have a red battery light down there. Okay, everybody, moment of truth here. Harry, our new Roomba, is got about 3/4 of a battery charge, so I'm going to go ahead and press the clean button. We'll see what happens. Look at that. Right to the dining room table. And the app tells me that it is cleaning in progress in case I'm blind and deaf. Okay, not the most silent machines in the world, but we usually set this thing off in the morning when we drive the kids to school. It runs about a half hour, and when we come back it is picked up the dog hair. So very cool. Easy to set up. Right out of the box. Going right towards the dog food. Boom. Price on this is going to vary. I'll put some links down below. But I really like this pet-friendly brush on the bottom so it doesn't get a lot of pet hair in it. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Wanted to show you on the carpet. I know it's not the 70s, but we kind of like a thick tile here. Let's see if it eats that cord. It's eating the cord! Alright, I thought I was done with the video, but that's not the case. Take a look at this bag. This is just from one operation of this Roomba E5 vacuum. This is all dog hair, dust, and little things, and we vacuum regularly, so I'm more than happy with this. This is going to help us just feel cleaner, breathe better, and keep on top of it. Always shedding dogs. Hey, I hope you liked the video. Hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.